Hi everyone, in this episode we'll be checking out how you can export all your designs as code and hand off your designs to developers. So without further ado, let's just begin. So Framer has some very convenient tools which allow you to export any design component as code. If I click on any element, for example, I click on this little menu icon right here, there is a button on the top right which says handoff. And if I click on handoff, I can see the code for this icon right here. Now, if I click on the entire screen, which is the home screen here, and then I click on handoff, as you can see, you see the home screen code here in CSS form. You can always convert it into either CSS or JSX. And then you just say copy CSS and put it inside your web page or your application. If I want to invite developers to check out the code themselves, I can always click on this invite button on the top right. Now this gives me an option to invite via email address. In case you want to hand it over to developers, always change from can edit to can view. This allows them to see the code and see the designs and interactions, but stops them from editing your designs themselves. Or you can always say copy link. Another quick way to export something or showcase your designs to someone is to click on preview on the top right here. Once this opens, what you can do is quickly say copy link. This allows you to open it anywhere publicly. So if I go to incognito window, paste this link here, it will allow me to basically run the prototype or the animations, everything inside this. It also allows me to export this onto my mobile and open it on my mobile itself. You can even choose from various devices on which you want to showcase it on. So it could be an iPhone 11 and it will preview it like an iPhone 11. You can even set various things, whether you want there to be a hand or not. For example, something like this right here. Whether it should be light or dark, really cool, whether it should be responsive or not, whether there should be a touch cursor, and also allows you to add a private link. In case you are wondering, can I export all of these assets as final design files? If you click on plus here, it says please download this project and open in Framer's desktop app. Yes, Framer also has a desktop version. So if you have the desktop version installed on your computer, you will be able to export all these assets for development as well. I will have all the relevant links attached with this video. Thank you for watching.